Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, then my name is Diksha Shetty, and in today's video I'm going to be doing an Amazon lehenga unboxing. So it just took about 5 days for me to receive this product after placing an order. So here is a product, guys. This is how Amazon does its packaging. I'm sure many of you know how it is. Without any further ado, let's see how the product is. In the website, the lehenga almost look like an anarkali dress. I'll actually post a picture of how it looks on the website somewhere here. So this is how it came. This is how it looks. It's the anarkali dress kind of lehenga. It was actually written as lehenga, but here I see it's a kind of a churidar kind of a thing. So it's semi-stitched. It has this embroidery neckline, which is round, and again the sleeve has this kind of embroidery detail, and this is how it looks. I'll actually give a very closer picture of this. So this is going to look like this. Kind of weird. I thought I should add this close-up of this neck detail. You can actually see how bad the embroidery work or the patchwork is done. And the fabric feels like cheaper silk. This kind of pleating here, which is kind of weird, I don't know why. When you just come to the bottom part, again it's this embroidery detail, embroidery lace work here. A very big patch of lace work, which I'm not impressed at all. It's not at all looking nice in real. It has this darkish peach colored embroidery and golden flower embroidery, and here there is this cotton lining. And about the stitch, guys, it's okayish, and the fabric is really not. Here I'm adding a very close-up picture of bottom of this lehenga or dress. You can just see how chunky the embroidery design is. It really looks very cheap. Here is a material for stitching churidar or pant. It comes in this goldenish cream color. And about the fabric, it's okay. About this, there's like about 1.5 meter of cloth, so that's nice. Here is a closer picture of the pant fabric. It has this shiny tint, and it's kind of soft, not a stiff material. And it has this dupatta. It is netted. Again, has the same lace embroidery detail. I'll again give a very close-up picture of this, guys, and has this kind of golden pearl detailing, pearl lace. And the dupatta fabric is nice compared to this dress material, and it's long enough and nice. Kind of soft, not very soft, okayish kind of a material again. Here's the close-up of dupatta border, and you can just see that the thread used here is blue. For the price, guys, I paid 1,200 for this, and there were no discount at all. And I would like to rate it just 1 because I really didn't like this. I feel it's overpriced, and the embroidery detailing really looks very cheap, and even the fabric is really poor. And if you guys are planning to order this, then please do not, because this is really very bad quality product. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked my review. If you did, do comment and write in my comment section. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and share it with your friends. And if you have any suggestions, and if you want me to do any other kind of reviews, do let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye, take care.